What is going on, guys? This is Kioboomdiekin. Welcome back to the Pyro channel. Today I get you guys all prepped up for Demo Night 2024 exclusively at Red Apple Fireworks May 4th. Now, if you haven't had the opportunity, make sure you check out the brand new website. There's also a discount affiliate code that'll save you some money as well. Make sure you check out all the new products that they have in store. In fact, there is going to be over 92 products that they have set up for you for this brand new fireworks season. But exclusively in this video, I've picked some of the top 25, so that way you guys get a good head start on some of the new fireworks that are coming in for the new season. Now, additionally, make sure you go ahead and register on their website. There's also some more information about some of the hotels that they have discounted rates for, so that way you can get your room reservation and whatnot. Now, as far as I know, not all of the products will be on display for demo night, but again, I'm here to show you some of the fireworks that I've already set aside for you and what you can get expected for the season. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. You know what time it is. All right, first on the list, we have the Red Apple Fireworks Bombs. These are 16,000 roll of firecrackers with a special 1,000 shot finale. Next up, we got the UFO Attack XL. This is an aerial finale set with flying UFOs. Ice Cream Shop handheld fountains, item number R-9657, exclusively at Red Apple Fireworks. Next up, we have Killer Taco Fountains by Red Apple Fireworks. Again, this is a brand new exclusive for 2024. Next up, we have the Horizon. Now, this is a 204-shot barrage finale. It includes 6 smashing colors and 8 blood pumping effects. America AF 7-inch red, white, and blue canister shells. Dead Presidents. This is a 196 shot XL aerial finale set. Hex, 48 shot standard aerial finale set. This one's pretty loud with 9 different colors and loud bangs. Alright, so I don't think this next one here needs an introduction. This is the one you guys have been waiting for. These are the loudest shells in all of Pahrump. We have the Buddha shells, finally sold separately, not in the Buddha case. These are 5-inch XL canister shells. These are the ones I was asking Mike about the number of years ago, 2 or 3 different years ago. Red Apple Fireworks has never sold these separately. Let's check them out. Wasabi. This is a 15 shot XL aerial finale set. This is complete with gold, vivid whites, silver, and neon colors. Sigma. This is a 36 shot XL aerial finale set. Has gold, green, and red bangs. This is a pretty decent set. You can find this at Red Apple for $1.99. Let Her Rip by Red Apple Fireworks. This is a 25 shot standard aerial cake. Next up, we have Dynamo. This is a 25-shot large aerial cake, complete with a total 150 shots if you get the total case. We have the brand new Suicide King. Now, if you guys remember the shells that we had last year, the first quad breaks, these are the brand new Suicide Kings Red Apple exclusive 8-inch quad break canister shells. These are really good for your show. In fact, I demoed several of these myself, and these really light up the sky. First up on our list of compound cakes, brand new for 2024, we have Volt. This is a 72-shot compound cake. You get 3 aerials in the box for a price of $160. Next up, we have Hologram. Now, this is a 100-shot barrage finale cake. There's only one in the box, but it has an absolute phenomenal performance. All right, we have another fountain for you here. This is the popcorn fountain. This is more or less along the lines of the snow cone and some of the other ones you've seen in previous years. This one retails for $99 currently, and 6 come in a case. Electro Skull XL Aerial Finale Set. Hyperdrive 500 shot barrage finale set. This particular case includes 2 different cakes with 500 shots each, with a total combination of 1,000 shots. Introducing something brand new to the firework community, the Patriot Bazooka Roman Candle Barrage Finale Set. What's really unique about this particular item is Red Apple is bringing a stand that comes included with the barrage set. Now, I'm not sure if Red Apple is going to sell these individually in the future, but no longer do you have to hold any of the Roman candles. These are reusable, and you can mount them with most of your big set Roman candle units. Pizza Apocalypse, another aerial finale set complete with 90 shots. All right, next up here on the list, we have Ronin. Now, this is complete with 32 shot standard aerial finale set. There's actually several different units or pieces to this with 192 total shots. Next up, we have the brand new American Glory 7-inch red, white, and blue canister shells. You guys have been familiar with these in the previous models where they had a whistling effect. However, going forward, Red Apple Fireworks has decided to remove that. It turns out that the chemical composition that was used to make that whistling sound only had a lifespan of about 6 months. And so they had to go ahead and remove it. So these are the brand new units that will not include that whistling effect. However, it does have the same neon glow red, white, and blue effect. Now, last but not least, rounding out the last of the list, we have Finish Strong AF. This is the Night Blossom 176 shot XL aerial finale set. So that about wraps it up for our 2024 demo list. Hope to see most of you at demo for Red Apple Fireworks in Pahrump, Nevada. I think it's going to be a pretty exciting show this year, but keep in mind, not all the products that I may have shown here or is listed on the website is going to be at demo. So typically Red Apple will get these products in all the way through up until the 4th of July. In fact, I've seen some products arrive the week right before the 4th of July. But these are some great product lineups. In fact, I haven't seen this amount of products that are brand new come in at any of the stores this year so far. But, you know, we'll really have to wait and see. But it's going to be a fun night. They have a lot of fun and games and food. Make sure you guys just spread the word word, tell everybody. It's a great family fun atmosphere. Like and subscribe. Let me know what your comments are in the video below. We'll have some more videos covering some of the additional fireworks here in the future, as well as some additional walkthroughs and important news that you guys need to hear. So with that being said, this is Kioboomdiekin signing out. Make sure you guys also check out my tech channel, Kioboomdiekin, and if you want to donate to the channel and all the hobbies that you do see here, I also have a Patreon where you can find me named Kioboomdiekin. So I am on Patreon, so I will catch you guys later. Peace out and have a great day. Bye-bye.